Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. Today we have a SugarMuses Deluxe for November. So, I don't pre-look at the themes, I like to be excited. So, I'm not sure what it is until I open it. So, let's get... I know I'm working in a different area and it's tough. But we will make it through this nightmare. So, this is what I looks like when I open it. Let me see if I can get this where we can actually see the items. My kitty cat just woke up. The theme is mastering... No, don't step on it. Mastering magic is our theme. And in her paperwork, it's always got a beautiful imprint. You see how pretty that is? Okay. We'll save that for last because it contains the spoilers. But I just want to give you a sneak peek on how she makes the box look. It's just really beautiful, the way she sets it up. Let me see if I can get that in there. There we go. Kitty, come on. Kitty. She always wants to be around the magic, which is awesome. My little familiar. Alright, so we have gorgeous Book of Shadows sheets. This is really pretty. So we have that one. And then we have this one that says Spell Casting Part 1. Ooh, so there's going to be a Part 2. Which is awesome. Look at how pretty this is. This is what I see in the paper. Very cool. Alright. We got our envelope with a pretty sticker. And this will be our oracle or our tarot. And we have, ooh, very pretty. Moon phases. And I got the Three of Cups, which is a very pretty card. Gotta find out what deck that is. Very pretty. And we got beautiful paper that always changes each time. And then this is what it looks like. It looks magical just to, like, isn't like everything has its like perfect spot. It makes me very excited to get this box. All right, I'm gonna start with this beautiful packaging, and it says Spellbound Bath Salts. And look how magical this is. This is really pretty. And the label all matches the artwork. Gorgeous. I don't know where to begin because everything is so pretty. All right. I'm going to grab this. I mean, I love this art. I really do. It's very beautiful. With the herbs and the witch in the middle, it's just so pretty. We have a beautiful white and dressed candle. It definitely smells really good. I just don't know what it is. We'll find out when we go through. And then we have this pretty bag tied in a perfect bow. I feel like a little kid on Christmas. Ooh, we have a ruff. It looks like, to me, maybe a tourmaline and quartz, maybe? Very pretty. Alright, then we have this pretty baby standing on top with, again, a black sachet with a perfect bow. Ooh. Ouch. I hate sitting on my feet. Okay. We have a beautiful ribbon, black ribbons here, with a beautiful I'm not sure of the crystal. We'll find out at the end. But beautiful necklace. And it has her name right there at the bottom, which is cute. Very nice. Okay. Then we have another beautiful bag of ginger peach organic tea. Beautiful bag, ingredients on the back. This is a big bag of tea too. And we got our throwaway tea bag. We have this cute little box right here. It says spell box. Look how cute that is. And in our spell box we have a white chime, cinefoil blend herb, and a candle holder. Get in there. We have a beautiful scroll. I think she wants to go out again. In and out, in and out. It's very cold here, so she goes in and out. Reclaim your power. And this goes with the spell box. So this is your spell. And now the doggy's up. And what else we got? Oh, we got a couple more items yet in here. We got this baby. And we have our beautiful Spellbound perfume oil. This has cassis, rosewood, and ginger essential oil blend. And these bottles are big. Again, all the labels match, which is really awesome. Let me see, what else we got in here? Anything else? We do. We have this right here. I just found in here. Ooh, what are you? Ooh, a pretty incense burner. That is really pretty. And it's got, so it doesn't slide on the tables. And it's like a soapstone. This is heavy. It's real nice quality. Cool. We got our beautiful incense. And is that it? Oh, no, we have one more item. We have, I guess this is our main item. Ooh. Mastering Magic. This is a new book. We just got these at the shop, but I haven't had a chance to get my own. So, now I do. Very cool. This is the author, if you haven't read The Psychic Witch, really, really good. This is by the same author, so this is going to be an awesome book. All right. As always, a beautiful box. So, there's a ritual in here included with all the items that she puts in the box. You don't have to use it, only if you wish. You can use items any way you like. I am a lover of the fall season, of all the colors that are bold and rich, strong, and yet a call to remember our earth and all she gives in the harvest months. The cat's back already. The autumn is our garland. The grand finale of successful season. It is the time of seeds. I can't even forget it. Can't say that word, so I'm not even going to try. Which takes flight from the branch to the ground and becomes our new earth itself. It is a gift from the old to the new, supporting, enriching, bringing life again next spring. November is a season of joy, celebration, etched in memories of family and home. I blow a kiss to Mother Earth. May she sleep well this winter months to come under the blanket her daughters have cast down. We await, sending her love until the spring comes to gently wake her from her deepest of slumbers. Okay. It says everyone has a preferred way of spellcasting that seems to work best for them. I found it helpful to keep notes so you can refer back to them to see what worked and what didn't. All ingredients, time of day, moon phase, etc. And then categorize them by intention. For example, healing, self-love, protection. I like to focus on the intention for the month and send everything magically to manifesting that intention. Sometimes manifestation can take a minute, sometimes it can take months. But I have aligned everything in my power towards the desired end result for a lunar cycle. I trust the universe will work out the exact right time to bring it to fruition, and the right outcome will be manifested. All right, so the items in this box is as follows. She has the Spellbound bath salts, and this has, let's see, herbs and essential oils. It doesn't say what they are, but they're herbs and essential oils in here, obviously. Oh, it says on the bottom here what's in it. Okay. Sacred wood incense sticks. Then we got the soapstone pentacle tile for your altar, or incense, or burn, or even put gemstones on it. Say colors may vary. I got black. I'm so glad I got black because that's my favorite color here. I don't know, guys, what you get. I definitely want to check out what colors you got. Spell ritual oil. Again, I think she leaves the information in here. Oh, no. It is a blend of grapefruit, rosewood, and ginger essential oils with blackcurrant extract. Jojoba and almond base. Then, Mastering Magic Candle. This beautiful baby here. I know. Handcrafted to promote and manifest energy. It is infused with ginger, grapefruit, dried botanicals, including cinefoil, lemongrass, and chamomile. It's for manifesting abundance and abundance properties. I know, I hear you. Everybody does. Oh, wow. Reclaim Your Power spell kit, which I always love a cute spell kit. So we got our nice spell kit. The book that the cat is stepping on is SugarMuses included Matt Ern's Book of Psychic Witch in the subscription box. Oh, yes, we did get it from SugarMuses. So this is their second. And this book does not disappoint. Black tourmaline pendant. That's awesome. Great for protection. Psychic shield against negativity. And it will help create a more calm and grounded state of mind associated with the root chakra. This necklace has been hand-strung and features a hand-painted glass bead on top here. And her beautiful artwork. And the drawn card is, this beautiful card is from, what deck? Oh, I don't know this one. Luna Summoner Tarot deck. I'll leave that down below, the exact spelling, because I've not seen this deck, and this looks really pretty cool. All right. So, guys, what do you think of November's SugarMuses? I think it's awesome. I always do. She always puts together a great box. I'll leave the information down below. Thanks for watching, guys.